Hi everyone, my name is Neha Mishra and thank you for joining me today. This presentation is a part of my ECEC 100 assessment where I will share my curriculum design for children aged 3 to 5 years. It built on play-based learning approach inspired by Reggio Emily philosophy. Before I begin, I would like to acknowledge the traditional custodian of land, the Dharaval people, and pay my respect to their elder past, present, and emerging. Throughout this presentation, I'll show how play, relationship, and creativity work together to support children's belonging, begin, and becoming the foundation of the Early Year Learning Framework, Department of Education 2022. My curriculum philosophy. I believe children learn best when they are free to explore, experiment, and express their ideas. Play isn't just an activity, it's how children make sense of their world. Arthur L. 2021 highlight that play helps children think critically and problem solve in authentic way. My philosophy aligns with Early Year Learning Framework 2022, which emphasizes supporting each child's identity and agency through meaningful relationships. The Reggio Emily approach also inspired me. According to Edward 2019, the environment act as a third teacher, shaping how children learn and connect. As an educator, I see myself as a co-learner, guiding guiding curiosity and reflecting alongside children rather than directing them. Then next we'll talk about development characteristics 3 to 5 years. Children aged 3 to 5 are growing rapidly across all development domain. Physically they become more coordinated, they can climb, run and use small tools confidently. Arthur 2021. Cognitively they start thinking symbolically and asking endless why questions, which makes inquiry based play so powerful by Mac Nocton and William 2020. Socially and emotionally, friendships and empathy begin to blossom. Fleet 2021. Their language skills expand quickly and they love storytelling, singing, and pretend play. By Estepin 2019. My programs support these areas through open ended experience that build confidence and communication. Weekly program indoor training. Morning begin with a warm welcome and free play, which help children free, secure, and connected. According to Early Year Learning Framework 2022, these routines strengthened belonging and identity part of outcome one. Then we move into creative play like art, dramatic play, and block building, where children explore ideas together and practice teamwork by Arthur 2021. During morning tea, I encourage independence through hygiene routines, small but meaningful step towards self-based skill. I keep activities flexible so that learning can follow children's interest just as Espetin 2019 recommended in intentional train teaching. Then we have weekly program outdoor and afternoon. Outdoor play gives children space to explore nature and take safe risk. In the garden or sandpit, they develop balance, coordination, and curiosity about the world around them. By Curtin and Carter 2021. After lunch and rest, small group projects like music, art, and storytelling help children express themselves and connect idea. Supporting outcomes 4 and 5 of Early Year Learning Framework 2022. We end the day with reflection time. I asked children what they enjoyed most or what they would like to try next. As Fleet 2021 explained, reflection helped children recognize their own learning and feel proud of their progress. Then we have learning environment layout. My learning environment is designed to encourage independence and exploration. According to Curtin and Carter 2021, a well planned space inspires creativity and responsibility. There is an art corner for expression, a reading nook for quiet time, and a block area for problem solving. McNaughton and William 2020. All materials are accessible at child height, supporting the Reggio idea of an environment as a third teacher. Edward 2019. I have also included a quiet space where children can rest or regulate their emotion, ensuring balance between active and calm play. Then we have supervision and safety plan. Supervision for me means being engaged and responsive, not just watching. Following the national quality framework, I maintain 1 is to 10 ratio and position educators strategically across the learning areas by Curtin and Carter 2021. Daily safety checks are part of our routine, especially around water play and climbing areas by Mac Norton and William 2020. For children who need extra support, I use visual cues and smaller group to promote inclusion by Arthur 2021. This approach ensure every children feels safe, supported and able to participate fully. Then my teaching strategies. My teaching style combine intentional teaching and flexibility. As Siraj Blatchford and Mani 2018 explains, intentional teaching means building on what children already know and extending it thoughtfully. I use open-ended question like what do you think will happen next to spark reasoning. Epstein 2019. I also model positive problem solving and language used to guide learning by example. Inspired by Reggio Emily philosophy, I view myself as a partner in discovery. Edward 2019, learning with not for the children. Assessment and documentation strategies. I use a mix of observation and documentation to understand each child's learning journey. And Aristotle record helped me capture spontaneous learning movement by Arthur 2021. Learning stories link play experiences directly to early year learning framework outcome by Fleet 2021, while portfolio showcase growth over time. Also use simple checklists to note progress in area like counting or social skills. Family input play an key role as Epstein 2019 reminders involving families create stronger learning partnerships. These references underpin my curriculum and guide my professional reflection. I have drawn on theorists and practitioners who connect deeply with the early year learning frameworks and Reggio Emily values. Their work remind me that quality education is about relationship, thoughtful planning, and seeing children as capable learner. By applying these ideas, I aim to create a learning environment that is meaningful, inclusion, and full of joy. Thank you so much for listening. Thanks.